Have you ever wondered what Linux is, and why so many tech experts love it? Let's break it down, short, simple, and clear. It all started in 1991. Back then, Unix was a powerful operating system used in universities and big companies, but it was expensive and closed source. That's when a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds decided to create a free, open-source alternative. He called it Linux, combining his name with Unix. And that simple idea changed the world of computing forever. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, Linux isn't owned by one company. It's built by thousands of developers around the world. It's open source, which means anyone can see the code, improve it, and share it. Today, there are many Linux versions called distributions, or distros for short. The most popular are Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Arch Linux, and Kali Linux, each made for different needs, from beginners to hackers. Why Linux? First, it's free. It's also fast, safe, and great for developers, servers, and even old PCs. In fact, Android phones, supercomputers, web servers, and even NASA use Linux. So next time you hear Linux, remember, it's not just for tech geeks. It's powering the world silently and efficiently. Maybe it's time you gave it a try. In the next video, we'll dive into Linux distributions. We'll explain the most popular ones, what they're used for, and how they're all connected. Don't miss it. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to never miss future videos. Got questions about Linux or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.